Over the past year, Titan has partnered with Townsend Harris High School's first robotics competition team, the Steel Hawks, to support them with our extensive machining and manufacturing capabilities. The school is based in the nearby neighborhood of Flushing, Queens, and the team is comprised of a diverse group of nearly 80 students. In partnering with the Steel Hawks, we were able to work alongside this eager team of young STEM students and help them apply classroom and previous robotic competition experience with real-world manufacturing realities. Their performance at this year's Hudson Valley FRC Regional competition netted them a second-place finish, which qualified them for the World Championships in Detroit, Michigan.
9-4, Stuypulse looking to tilt it in their favor. 68-80, Universal Serial Brawlers want to rebalance that scale. But Stuypulse and their partners team 26-01, the Steel Hawks, placing another power cube down. It's looking good.
After their regional competition, the team made a stop here at Titan to rightly show off their robot to our team. The exchange was truly inspiring. Seeing young people enthused and energetically embracing engineering, coding, and mechanical skill sets makes it all worthwhile. In fact, one student who had a focus on 3D modeling and drafting has remained on through a summer internship and now works alongside our engineering team. We look forward to next year's partnership with the Steel Hawks and continuing to support the future generation of mechanical and technically inclined students.